गोवा एंटरप्रेनर्स मेंटरिंग सर्व्हिसेस ट्रस्टान मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंताच्या वाडदिसा निमतान पाट्यार सेंट्रल लायब्ररीत स्वयंपूर्ण युवा दीस घडोवन हाडलो. हे वेळार उद्देजक अनिल खवटे आनी ट्रस्टाचो वांगडी मनोज पाटीलान वांटेकार जाल्ल्यांक मार्गदर्शन केलें.
I started small with just a vision, with an unshakable belief that Goa could start tall, not only in hospitality and tourism, but also in manufacturing, construction, and technology. Over the years, I have seen this dream materializes through my ventures, like having 5 verticals. I have got today 5 verticals. I started my career as a construction and real estate business. For construction, hospitality is very by nearby, and that plus you get the taxation benefit. So I entered into the hospitality firm, because Delmon, Ronil, Donna Silvia, those are part of my hospitality field. Afterwards, I said I always wanted to, as the entrepreneurial spirit was there, I always believe you can fail, but don't give up because of your fail. Success comes to those who dare and act. All of us are young. The way you ask the question, I can feel that I can feel myself in you when I was of your age. So success comes to those who dare and act. It seldom goes to timid. There is always a failure, but don't give up, because try and fail, but don't give up that failure. You again try and you will be successful.
Here is a person who has been so sensitive about youth, about ensuring that youth are made productive, either through skilling, upskilling, so that they can get jobs and are productively employed, or through entrepreneurship. Okay, so we were just day before yesterday was BNI had an event called as Uzwad Goa. Okay, post the event, we were just discussing a few things, and then came the idea of how that CM has been so I would say proactive in this. What could we do? And then we realized that it's his birthday today, 24th. We said, why not designate or celebrate his birthday as the Swayampurna Yuva Divas. Okay, and it is from there this concept, and thank you very, very much. So this is how the idea was born.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार.